Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's Variety Spotlight, we're going to be taking a look at a tomato that's supposed to ripen super early. It's called the 4th of July hybrid. I believe why they're called 4th of July is because they're supposed to be ripe by the 4th of July, which I guess is pretty early for most tomato varieties that aren't cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes do tend to ripen earlier, but this is a non-cherry tomato variety that ripens pretty quick. So here is a look at the plant. Now the seed packet does say 49 days to harvest, which is I guess pretty early. So here it is, growing pretty well, pretty productive. As you can see, nice little round fruit. These are about 4 ounces, so it's definitely a smaller tomato, as you can see. It's growing up here. Got some more clusters up here. So pretty productive. You know, this size tomato is like a little bit awkward because it's bigger than a cherry tomato, so you're not just popping it in your mouth one bite. It's smaller than a big slicer, but you know, you can cut it up into wedges, put it into salad, so that's nice. It's grown pretty easy, pretty well. As you can see, it's about 6 feet tall right now. This is July 8th, so mine were actually ripe before the 4th of July, so I guess that's good. So there you go, there's a closer look at the plant, closer look at the tomatoes themselves. So let's slice one of these open and give it a little taste test. So it's very pretty on the inside. You can see all that seed gel. So it looks like it's gonna be a very juicy tomato. Nice dark red. So it looks really pretty. But the real question is, how does it taste? So let's have a little taste test here. Just gonna slice it into a little wedge. A little salt. All right, here we go. 4th of July tomato. Oh yeah, juicy, nice acidity, sweet, just a good red tomato flavor. Very flavorful. We just got a lot of rain, which can tend to make tomatoes a little more watery. Sometimes it can even cause them to split. So that was very watery, but it didn't lose flavor. Very flavorful, very tasty. That was good. And I know I said that it was an awkward size, so I'm sorry, tomato, but it's a nice size because you can cut these nice little wedges. You know, you're not cutting big slices to put on a sandwich or something, but you get these nice little wedges, put them on salads, eat them just like this, and they are delicious. So hey, this is a great tomato variety. So these seeds are from Burpee Seed Company, but you could probably get them anywhere. These were actually given to me by a friend of mine, Christine. So thank you, Christine. Thanks for sharing. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. Give that one a try. It's a good variety. Catch you on the next one.